The overall goal of this paradigm is to assess the effectiveness of a potential anti-alcohol drug using rodent models of alcohol use disorder.
Alcohol use disorder represents a major public health crisis. Current treatments are ineffective and ongoing preclinical research is needed. Our protocol allows us to evaluate the safety and utility of a potential treatment, as well as to take a look at the underlying neurobiology of the disorder itself.
Begin the procedure by heating a utility knife on the Bunsen burner. Using this knife, cut roughly an inch off the top and bottom ends of a plastic 18 ml serological pipette. Next, warm the pipette under a heat gun. Insert the ball-bearing zipper tube into the bottom end of the pipette. Then, using a commercially available shrink wrap gun, seal the zipper tube in place with shrink wrap. Cap off the other opening with a silicone stopper. For animal habituation, upon arrival, single house each mouse in a standard polycarbonate polysulfone cage with bedding, food, and water, and a metal grid cage top. Beginning on day 4 of the 1-week single housing acclimation, measure and record the mouse daily body and food weights. Measure the water intake using the etchings alongside the inverted bottle to record the highest point of the meniscus. Once water intake has stabilized to plus or minus 10% variability from the mean of the last 3 days, begin ethanol access with either TBC or DID.